here's a dog that likes a ball. Come on, get the ball, not me.
Teaching her to like the ball. There she goes. So let her play a little bit. Good. There she goes.
Ooh.
Okay, now open the door and throw the ball out into the hallway. See if she goes to get it. Oh, there she goes. Whoops, forgot the gate wasn't there. It's okay. Okay, it's good girl, you got the ball.
It's right near my shoe. Why do I have my shoe up there?